Many of us love to drink coffee for its delicious flavor and the many benefits it contains, whether you prefer coffee with light sugar, just right, once, with foam or full of granules. Many of you cannot give up their favorite coffee, and in fact you do not really have to, as drinking coffee has some health benefits, but the opinions of doctors are divided on whether the benefits of coffee outweigh the negatives or the other way around. Let's learn together in this video about the benefits and harms of coffee for human health. If you liked the video, click like and do not forget to subscribe to the channel to contribute to the development of the channel. What is coffee? Coffee, also known as black coffee and bitter coffee, is one of the most consumed drinks in all parts of the world, and it is prepared from ground-roasted coffee seeds. The coffee tree belongs to the Fabaceae family, and grows in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. The most used part of the coffee plant is the seed inside the fruit. There are many types of coffee according to the community and the country, and perhaps the most prominent of these types, Arabic coffee, Turkish coffee and espresso coffee, and finally decaf coffee. Coffee is a rich source of antioxidants, and it contains a high percentage of vitamins and minerals. The benefits of coffee are many and varied, and these are the most important potential benefits of coffee. 1. Reducing the chances of developing diabetes. The risk of developing type 2 diabetes in adults who drink 4 to 6 cups of coffee per day was found to be about 30% lower than in people who drink up to 2 cups of coffee per day. So if you imagine yourself working in the office uncomfortable and with red eyes, remove the doubt from heartbroken. Also, decaffeinated coffee can do the job. 2. Fighting free radicals. We often forget that coffee is actually a plant, like any other plant, and coffee beans contain natural substances that the body feeds on. In addition to that, they contain more than 1,000 natural compounds of plant chemicals that enhance immunity and body health. Many of these phytochemicals are antioxidants that protect the body's cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. 3. Improve memory and cognition. People who drink caffeinated coffee in the morning perform tasks related to learning new information better, as coffee can also improve cognitive functions with age, and it was found that the combination of coffee and something sweet gave the most effective effect, as the combination of the two contributes in improving cognitive ability while improving short-term memory. Coffee damage. Despite the many benefits of coffee, it is not without some harms, the most important of which are: 1. Osteoporosis. Coffee can stimulate the body to excrete calcium in the urine, and the loss of calcium needed to build bones causes a decrease in bone density and can lead to osteoporosis. So drinking 150 milliliters of coffee leads to a loss of about 5 milligrams of calcium, but the loss of calcium caused by drinking can be balanced coffee by adding 2 tablespoons of milk to a cup of coffee or eating a little yogurt with it. 2. Wrinkles. Although coffee contains antioxidants, excessive drinking of it can lead to wrinkling of the skin, and the reason for this is that coffee is a diuretic and drinking a lot of coffee can cause dehydration. And in the case of dehydration, the skin loses its moisture and elasticity and wrinkles appear on it. So if you drink a cup of coffee in the morning, the benefits of coffee for the skin: reducing skin infections that affect the skin, as well as reducing redness that affects the skin. It opens the skin dramatically, and works to increase the flow of blood circulation in the face. Getting rid of dark areas of the skin. Reduce puffiness in the eye area by massaging the skin with iced coffee cubes. Moisturizes dry skin and works to restore it to its freshness, by mixing coffee with sea salt and olive oil, stirring the mixture and applying it to the skin for a short time, and the skin is washed with lukewarm water. Be sure to drink a glass of water afterwards. 3. Weight gain. The caffeine present in coffee beans causes fluctuations in the level of sugar in the blood, and the sudden rise in blood sugar causes the desire to eat sweets and increase the appetite, and the tendency to offer a piece of cake with a cup of coffee. Expect to get sugar with the first sip of the cup of coffee and the dose of caffeine that rushes into the blood. Is traditional coffee full of pesticides? The coffee plant is one of the crops that farmers tend to spray regularly. The coffee plant is usually full of pesticides, herbicides and other chemicals that you would prefer not to bring into the body, so if you enjoy drinking a cup of coffee from time to time, choose an organic coffee blend who has not undergone spraying and pest control, as pesticides are harmful to the body and can cause disease. The transition to drinking decaffeinated coffee is not a sufficient solution. Also, decaffeinated coffee mixtures can contain pesticides, so choose organic coffee mixtures, whether regular or decaffeinated. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates first. Wish you all the best.